Hello students, through the online classes you are getting the all the forms of the knowledge regarding the subjective. If you are talking about my subject, so first we have started writing skill. 11th and 12th writing skills is the major portion. For the 12th, one day I posted one literature portion from the Flamingo, that chapter, the last lesson, right? So through this online video you are getting enough ideas, all the correct information regarding all the forms of the subjective, whether it's a literature or any other subject. Now today, in the category of writing skill, as I have started short composition, in that I taught you classified advertisement, then after display or billboard, that is known as commercial advertisement, then after poster, then invitation, formal as well as informal. Today I will teach you, because invitation is a part of manners and etiquettes. Similarly, their acceptance and refusal is also a part of manners and etiquettes. Regarding this, I will teach you today refusal and acceptance. Refusal and acceptance is what? If you're talking about a formal refusal or acceptance, is just written in the third form, in the third person form. And the format of formal refusal and acceptance is similar to the formal invitation. But when we are talking about informal invitation, informal refusal or acceptance, it has to be written in first or second person form, and their format also similar to the informal invitation. So let's carry on. I will carry on with the two solved example, and you will get how the way it's written, what are the reason it's written. Okay, so this is refusal and acceptance. This is the main features of these two. They are not too prolonged format, or the characteristics is required to be, but even then also need to just follow. Here the two solved example. One is one person invited as a judge in literary competition. So he accepted that invitation and he has to write a formal acceptance. He is a Mohan or Mohini. Second question, that you have invited as a judge to be the part of a debate competition. That is, the question has been written here by a new era public school. So you need to write refusal. First question for the acceptance, second question for the refusal. Both the language you will get how you have to write, how to carry on, and what the way of the body of the refusal or acceptance has to be. So this is the solved example. First, address is not written in the question, so that's XYZ you will write, New Delhi or whatever there. Date you need to write. Then after, it's a start. So it started with the person though who has invited. Okay, so Mr. Mahesh Sharma thanks the principal St. Anne's School for their kind invitation for judging the literary competition on 13th July 2000. Then XX. He accepts the invitation with pleasure and will reach the venue at 9 a.m. to judge the event. Regards, Mohan Sharma. This is, go through by this. There nothing, no any compound sentence has written in a simple sentence, but should be maintained the tenses also. Second question is the refusal. Miss Meera Kapoor Thanks the principal. Somehow it's a similar, language is similar at the beginning, here also. But the reason is written for the refusal, that's going to out of station. But he has written good luck to all the participants, and then after regards or Neera Kapoor, right? This is written. Thanks to all participants, Neera Kapoor. So this is the acceptance and refusal. I hope you will practice and you will get it. First you need to note down, and then later on you will get the homework. Thank you.